So a wee while since I've done a video. Uh, Practically my whole life, it seems, for decades, done affiliate marketing, which has always worked well. It's always paid well, to be honest. But I'm getting to the stage where it does affiliate marketing. There's a lot of work involved in it, so I want to simplify things. So here is a video, and it's basically buying expired domain names that that have went out of business. So you're buying these domain names and selling them on. So there's two things why people would do that. The particular website, which it was, it comes built in with traffic, so people would purchase for that reason. But also, if they had a particular keyword they want to rank for, well, they'd buy us domain names. So um, it can pay well, but if you just do your, I don't know, search for a particular domain name, it might not be worth a lot of money. But with the software that I'm using, it does help me identify domain names are worth a lot of money. They can be in the region of thousands of pounds. I'm not really promoting this software. If you want it, just let us know, sort of thing. So on this one, I'm just really using it to identify what domain names are worth buying. We don't take this as like crystal clear that they're totally worth this amount, sort of thing. But I'll wait till it loads up. But we'd still do our research on GoDaddy, which tells us what they rate it as. So it's just taking a wee while to load up. 2 seconds. So here we go. So we've got like green, which they say it's quite a good signal, and then orange isn't, but it's really just an indication of what domain names to go for. So the rule of thumb is if you don't understand what it is, then don't go for it. So some of the names that I can't recognise, Music Echoes, but do your own research with it. If there's a similar name, then don't buy it. If it's trademark, and that would be like if it was Shopify newzealand.com, then we wouldn't buy it. So here's one, cashcentral.com, so it kind of tells us a wee bit about it. But as I said, the video isn't really on this software. It's just really buying and showing you can buy and sell domain names. So what we would do is go to GoDaddy, because that's where I'm selling the domain names, and show you how this works. It's really simple, GoDaddy. So type the domain you want, with copy and paste it, and here's this cashcentral.com. And here it is. Here you can get it at a good price, and you can sell on. So you don't want to do all the add-ons, rather you would just do it, sort of thing. So you just purchase it, and then I'll show you in GoDaddy how you would list them for sale. So you can sign up with GoDaddy. It's really simple to use. You even don't have to put in your email. You can sign up with Facebook and Google and things like that. So here's one of the athum.com that I bought, and that's what it's worth. I'm not selling it for that, but that's in limedust.com. There's another one as well. So if we go into that, I've put the listing on it already, but when you are listing, after you bought it, that is, there's a button that's called list for sale, and that's, I've got it at 995. A lot of landscaping companies will buy that one, and then the testing one was what was it, athum.com as well. So that's estimated it quite a lot as well. So that's how you do it. You buy from GoDaddy. I use that software to establish what ones would be quite good, and then you just list it, and that's it. So at the stage of life, that's the kind of business model I'm focusing on at the moment, just the simplicity of it, and that to focus on other things. So that's how you buy domain names, and that's how you kind of list them. So hope it's helpful, and we'll see you soon.